GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment vapor canister purge valve is an emission control component and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The purge valve controls the flow of fuel vapor from the vapor canister to the intake manifold. This original equipment vapor canister purge valve has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed tough starting, instant MPG increase. Truck is back to its full potential. Installed on my 2004 Yukon in about 20 minutes. I had hesitation when trying to start the vehicle, erratic idle, and poor MPG. After install hesitation is gone, MPG on dash increases significantly faster, and idle is much better. I feel like I am running at max horsepower again. Still some minor vibration at times, especially with AC on, but truck is running significantly better.